Hey viewers, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're delving into a captivating term that is a country in South Asia, and a neighbor to India and China. Well, how do we say its name correctly? We may pronounce it as Bhutan. 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 Bhutan is known for its stunning landscapes and unique approach to measuring national happiness. The country is also famous for its majestic monasteries, like Tiger's Nest, and more. Isn't it fascinating how breaking down a word can make it clearer? If you enjoyed learning about Bhutan, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more educational content. Thanks for watching. Remember, knowledge is power. See you next time.